Are you planning to launch an app and start earning monthly revenue? Today, I'm going to show you the real data of a successful app directly from Sensor Tower, and then I'll show you how you can launch your own similar app using Softmize App Studio. As you can see, even simple apps have huge demand in the market, and developers earn lakhs in revenue every single month. Now, let's check this app on the App Store. Here you can clearly see the UI, features, and screenshots. The app is extremely simple, yet it gets massive downloads and generates strong monthly income. Now comes the most important part. If you want to build your own similar app, Softmize App Studio provides you the complete source code and UI kit for Map Explorer app. The code is completely clean, easy to understand, beginner-friendly, and comes with full documentation. Explore the world with smart GPS navigation, anytime, anywhere. We also provide full support. Installation, customization, app publishing, everything. Just buy the source code, and within a few hours, you can launch your own app on the Play Store or App Store. So if you want to create your own earning app just like this, contact Softmize App Studio today. The link is in the description. Build your app, customize it, and launch it, all made easy with Softmize App Studio.